morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we got 3 days left this week. Holiday yesterday. I put a long set out for my people about 7:30 p.m. Eastern time last night. Long against 22. You had the weekly pivot here at 23.75. It had seen some difficulty getting through 22. We saw it test 22 a few times, but it could just never really, just couldn't convert it. And it needed to convert 22 if it was going to go back down and test, say, 18 and start to probe some of these lower areas. So we did a few of those. I just punched out of that one. So, we've hit our day goals before the days even started, which is great on kind of a weird week like this. I like to get days booked when I can. The key for the rest of this week is going to be the mid band on the daily chart, which comes in today around 24.32. Any test of 31.32 today is going to be a big deal. If they push back off the open and retest this 22.23, be interested to see if that holds. We may find a range between 23 and 32 today, which is a 9-handle range. That's that's not, there's a lot worse ways to spend your day. Going back to Monday, all the fun was in the gap. Once you got into the actual day itself, it was a 4-handle range until they pulled the plug right there at the close. And despite the fact that they pulled the plug at the close, they couldn't really take advantage of it. They couldn't take advantage of it in the overnight before Independence Day. They couldn't take advantage of it during the Globex session on Tuesday, and they couldn't take advantage of it last night. So the Bears have got to convert 22.23. The Bulls want to convert and keep converted 32. They had it here, but they couldn't do it. Okay, so neither side is really finishing this week. Bears not finishing to the downside. Bulls not finishing to the upside. You got 3 full trading days left to decide, who eventually is going to go ahead and do that. So as you get out here on the daily chart, I want to use my annotated daily chart though. Bollinger Bands still very tight. 1.15 is very tight. So we're due for some expansion. But you're going to see this number go down. You're going to see them compress if we continue to interact now with the daily midband here, the green line, which we've done effectively, just about every session. Even the big sessions still dealt with the line. As long as you are dealing with, as long as you are printing on top of the daily midband every day, this bandwidth isn't going to move much. Okay? So the band ride's over. It didn't get engaged on Monday. So now you can see where we tested daily midband in the overnight. So this is an area the Bulls want to be trading up here. The Bears want to re-engage the lower band in the area of 17.5, and they want to try to spill these bands downward. Got 3 full days to figure it out. The shots across the bow though will be over 32, under 22. All right, everybody have a great day. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.